Hello friends, today I am here with a new video. As you people can see on your screen, this is the 4 tera WD Western Digital hard disk drive, which is WD purple. You can see two pieces of the hard disk. Each piece of the hard disk is having a storage capacity of 4 terabyte. These two hard disks I will going to install in my NVR, which I very recently unboxed, as well as I included the video in my channel. You can see my video, which is a Hikvision NVR DS7600 series unboxing. These two hard disks are the specialized surveillance hard disks, as you can see onto the title. Why this is a specially characterized surveillance hard disk? Because this is having a very high speed writing capacity. This hard disk is having a writing capacity of 6 gigabit per second, which is if it is receiving our data from at the same time from 64 cameras, it can record and write that data onto it with all frames 4K. This is having made for especially for the NVR, as well as this is also written out here surveillance hard disk drive, because this is having a writing speed very high, so there is not a single frame is missing, and it stores all the data very nicely. And while watching a playback recording of a particular video, we get a very good quality video without losing a single frame. So this is the hard disk which we are going to install in our NVR. So let's take a look by opening a packet of one hard disk drive, and I will let you know about the various ports and various build quality of this drive. Let's keep this hard disk at a side, and let's open this one with the help of using a cutter. Here it is. Let's remove it from the packet and just take a look at it. See, the build quality is very strong of this hard disk. As you people can see, it is written as a 4 TB, yani 4 terabyte. See, take a look at the back side. Here is a plotter onto which the data is right. See, this is the panel board of the hard disk drive, and here are the ports of the hard disk. Let me tell you a short description about these ports. Onto this port, we provide the power supply to the hard disk drive, and onto this port, we give data. The data which we receive from the cameras, that goes to the NVR, and from the NVR, it is sent to the hard disk for storage purpose. So, these two are the Sata ports, as you people can see here. This is the L-shaped port. Take a look. This is L-shaped port. This port is used for power supply, and this port is used for data. This is the priority port from where we can make one hard disk drive as a master, as well as another hard disk drive as a slave. Nowadays we are not using, because it is automatically recognized by the computer or by the NVR. So, but this kind of hard disk drive is widely used for the NVR. This is a WD purple, which is highly recommended for using into the NVR. Guys, this was a very small introduction of this WD purple surveillance hard disk drive. If you like my videos, do subscribe my channel, share my video with your friends, as well as we need all your support. By through subscribing our channel, we get all your support. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, do like my videos, and share my videos. Thank you.